Now, once you've installed CapCut, you want to open it up, and this is what we're working with. This is your interface. So you can sign in and have an account. You can join Pro, but for this you have to pay for. There's a fee that you're supposed to pay for. Then we have Home and MySpace. So over here you can create a new project. But the first thing I want us to do is look at the settings. So if you click on here, we get the settings. And we have these 4 different tabs, but we want to focus with the 2 first. So the first project tab, it will show you where your file will automatically, the home file where clips will automatically be saved. So you can come over here and actually change if you would like to, create a new folder, and then change if you want to. Again, we have the cache manager. So if you want to delete, you can auto delete and then set a number of days. I need you to note that if you do not delete your cache, it will make your editing slower, it can lag your videos and all that. So currently I'm just going to set it at don't delete cache files since I don't have that much, but as you continue you'll find a need to switch it to this. Then under edit we have the image duration. Now this is the most important part. Image duration means if I bring in an image to a clip, how long will that image play? So currently it's set at 5 seconds, so if you want you can add to that or decrease the time duration. And then we have the frame rate. Now currently I'm operating under 30 fps, but if you want you can increase, you can go for 25, 24, but I'll leave it at that. So again, check the settings of your clip before you start working with CapCut so that you can make the necessary changes. So after that, if you've made no changes, you can hit cancel, but if you've made some changes, you'll go ahead and click on save.